There are at least 100 different chatbots in the market for your website. But what makes NordanAI different? NordanAI isn't just an easy no-code assistant you can add into your website. It also comes with powerful features like AI to human handover, automatic call scheduling, a training playground to teach your agent different scenarios, RAG-based response to avoid hallucinations, customizable themes, and much more. In this video, I'll walk you through NordanAI Pro and introduce you to Agent Nordan and its capabilities. So let's jump straight into the video. So when you become a Pro member and you then log in, this will be the first page you will be greeted by. The first thing that you have to do after becoming a Pro member is go to the knowledge base and rescan your website. Here you will be having your URL of your website, and you have to do is update and scan. So what happens is it will update your website's URL and it will create separate chunks of information. So the scan is complete. The next step you have to do is connect your calendar. This is an optional step if you want. You can get this detail of your cal.com's API key and type ID. I have explained it how you can get those data in the cal.com. So this is an optional step, right? And next step, what you have to do is, I've also created a separate video for this. I will link it in the description below. After doing this, after adding the API key and type ID, what you have to do is go to the training session. This is the final step. What you have to do here is you have to train your chatbot according to the questions that can be asked by your user. For example, a general question: what is Nordan AI? Simple. So this chatbot is already integrated in my website, which is this, as you can see in the bottom right corner. And this is how it responds. So suppose this is not the answer you would expect to give. So you can do is change the answer here by clicking into the edit answer, which you see here in the bottom right. And just below the chat response that you got, you can click and you'll get the changing value. Next, what you can do is, suppose you asked something, your visitor asked something which is not available, the information is not available by the chatbot. The best thing is it won't hallucinate. Like, for example, I asked some unique question like how does the dashboard, or how does Nordan AI saves my cal.com's API key, right? It doesn't know the answer because it is out of its context. So what it will do is it won't generate a random value. It would rather say that I don't have the information regarding how Nordan AI saves your cal.com. Please check Nordan AI's official documentation or support for more details regarding API management. You can edit the answer here only and give Nordan AI saves the data, saves your API keys for like this. All the API keys are secured or encrypted using AES 256 GSM, which is an industry standard authentication encryption. So this would be the answer for this. So I'll save this answer. And after saving it, I'll ask the question again. How I'm going to ask? I'll copy this question and paste it here. Let's ask it, and I am expecting that it will give a proper answer for this. And yeah, NordanAI saves your cal.com's API key by encrypting using AES GSM 256, which is an industry standard. It ensures that your API key is kept secure. So what answer I gave, it is already showing up now. So if I ask this question again here, let's see if it can answer that. Since the answer is already there. Yep, NordanAI saves your cal.com's API key by encrypting using AES 256 GSM. So the same answer which I provided, it starts giving these answer. Suppose an answer is totally out of the context, which is, for example, who is um, do you provide services in um, mobile apps? Let's see if it can provide. No, primarily focused on integration. Yeah, this is the answer it will provide, and you can change it accordingly. So this is the thing that is provided now. And if you want, you can reset the conversation also if you need, and it will remove all the conversation. This was just a training playground. You can modify the questions also. If you have multiple questions, what you can do is go to the knowledge base and add FAQs, add more multiple FAQs if you want. How much you want, you can simply add it. So at the moment, the information encryption, information storage is directly given through the scraping of the data and some extra information that you can paste it. Apart from that, I am going to include multiple ways of storing information, like storing it through CSV files by importing CSV files also. But at the moment, it just uses scraping to save your data. After that, we have analytics. Analytics shows the amount of conversations that has happened, some extra informations and all. Everything is displayed here only. At the moment, it's all zero. Next, we have these are the questions that has been asked by multiple users that are being displayed here at the moment. And these are the chat list, basically. The people who have had conversations, those conversations will be displayed here. Next, we have branding, and you can change the theme, UI theme, change the color of it. For example, I'm changing it to a bit of a more darker variant towards more purplish theme if I want. Then I'll save it, and it has been added. So it should look something different, like this color from blue to purple. So let's refresh and check it again. Yep, now it looks a bit different. The UI has been changed. And next, you can change the bot theme also, bot settings, and everything. So this is the rough explanation of how Agent Nordan would respond to the questions and respond to their answers and all of these things. I hope you found this video informative, and I'll make sure to add and update you if I add some more details or more features into it. Till then, I hope it's informative to you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.